Which synthetic indices is best to trade? What is the best synthetic indices to trade? Let's talk about it in this quick and short video. By the way, if you are also looking to start synthetic indices trading and you're looking for a reliable broker, easy deposits, easy withdrawals, see the links in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment in the comment section below. Those are the brokers that I've used for some time now in terms of synthetic indices trading. Very reliable, easy deposits. You just need $10, and also seamless, trouble-free withdrawals when it comes to getting your money out. So sign up with them. The links are in the description, as well as the pinned comment in the comments section below. So which synthetic indices is best to trade? Leave your thoughts and comments also in the comment section below. I want to hear what you guys also think. What are you trading? For me, the best synthetic index to trade depends heavily on your trading style, your experience level, and your risk tolerance. So for me, it's three things that come up when somebody asks me what is the best thing to trade. It's going to depend on your trading style, your experience level, and your risk tolerance, as well as the broker that you choose sometimes. But those major three things are what matters to me. But in terms of the brokers that I use, again, the links are in the description box below, as well as in the pinned comment in the comment section below. The brokers that I've used, I've traded with them mostly volatility and boom and crash and step index. As that's with Deriv broker. I've traded volatility, boom and crash, step index, and jump index. With World Trade, I've also traded FX volume, the pain X and the gain X. Those have been my bread and butter. And I've also traded with spread index markets as well. So the best synthetic indices by trading a style, according to my own opinion. Feel free to agree or disagree in the comment section below. If you are a scalper and high volatility trader, what you want to go for is a volatility 75, V75 or VIX 75, or you can go for the V75 1S, which is available on Deriv. See the link in the description box below and the pinned comment below. It's popular because it is the undisputed king of synthetic indices. Feel free to disagree. I think that's why VIX 75 is popular. It's the king of synthetic indices. The price movements follow technical analysis, support and resistance, EMAs. You can see everything clean, everything properly, making it the favorite for technical scalpers. It does require extreme risk management and precise lot sizing due to the high volatility. So that's something that you just need to be aware of. Then if you go to World Trader, if you are a volatility scalper, you want high volatility for scalping, you can go for the FX vol or the Trendex indices. Those are good also because they provide constant volatility without a sudden structural breaks, which are seen in jump and boom and crash indices, making it ideal for quick 1 minute, 5 minute chart scalping on that's World Trader. If you are a spike and catch trader, if you're a spike and catch trader, again, that's your style, then boom 1000, crash 1000 are the popular ones. They feature small downward ticks or upward ticks with sudden upward spikes or sudden downward spikes. So people love them for that, and you can trade them just like any normal index. If you go to higher time frames, if you do not see the spikes, people sometimes try to avoid those spikes. If you do not the spikes, you can go, for example, crash 1000, spikes down, boom 1000, spikes up. So what you can do is go on the 1 hour time frame. Then once the trend is starting to go up, it means you're going to go to get more upward spikes as it goes up, which means you make more money. So you want to go with that trend as well. So the that's one of the best strategies, is basically buying boom deep setups, or sell on crash pullbacks, so that you can catch those multi-pip spikes when they happen. So you can do this on I think 1 hour time frame. That's my favorite one. Then you can also do the spike and catch trading strategy style on PainX and GainX on World Trader. So they are basically the version of derivatives boom and crash. If you are a beginner and low risk trader, and you want consistency, I think if you want the volatility indices, go for volatility 10 index, V10, or go for the step index. I love the step index on a deriv. Again, if you want to sign up with these brokers so that you can you get an idea of what I'm talking about, you just need $10 minimum. Use the links in the description box below, as well as in the pinned comment. So you can go for V10, VIX 10, or volatility 10 index, or step index. I love those ones. V10 has the lowest baseline volatility at 10% market volatility, preventing massive account drawdowns, while you also learn to trade synthetic indices. And step index does move in predictable fixed increment ticks +1, making lot calculation extremely simple. That's why I also love a step index. Then there is jump 10 index, again on deriv. It features modest 10% average spikes, keeping a risk relatively tight compared to jump 75 or jump 100. Then on World Trade, you can go with a FlipX. Why it's ideal: operates on a pure 50-50 probability structure per tick, making it popular for testing mechanical risk reward ratios. Then for range and breakout traders, what you probably want to go with is a range break 100 or range break 200, which are available on a deriv. Basically, it consolidates within strict boundary levels for extended periods before staging a massive breakout. So it's ideal for grid or range bound traders who wait for structural breakouts and the sort. So if you want pure liquidity and standard technical price action, I think trade VIX 75, volatility 75 index, or you can go for the boom and crash 1000 on deriv. If you want to run expert advisors, trading robots, and stuff like that with tighter spreads, I think trade FX vol or FlipX on World Trade. If you're a complete beginner, I think start on deriv with volatility 10 or a step index. Which one is your best synthetic index to trade? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. I also want to hear what you guys think. But otherwise, guys, use the links in the description box below, pinned comment below. Let's trade these synthetic indices.